Ito yung rason kung bakit hindi ka aasenso sa buhay mo. Let me tell you this, the number one secret to success, patience. Be patient with your growth. I'll tell you this, wala pong overnight. Lahat ng mga nakikita mo na, uy, grabe, successful to. Grabe, successful yan. Grabe, ang galing niya, ang galing niya. No. You never saw what they were doing when the spotlight was not on them. Patience, perseverance, long suffering. I'm telling you, the reason why we have seasons in life is because for you to go to your next level, kailangan lahat ng kailangan mo sa level na to is nakuha at natutunan mo na. Do not neglect the waiting. There's so much power in the waiting season. Learn to be patient, but also learn to take action whenever it's already needed. Pero ang daming tao ngayon, walang pasensya. Lahat gusto instant. Kaya